In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how we made $31,751 in commission just in 3 months, okay? From the first day of the month of May until the day 27 of the month of July, okay? I made $31,751. This is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is people who used my affiliate links to buy those services or products. In this video, I will share with you guys how we can choose good and profitable services that you should start promoting, how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you, how we can use free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, and how we can create content to promote those affiliate links so you can earn commission, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, this is my affiliate marketing dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. I can click here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, and so on. Even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine. Just to show you, it's not screenshot. This is my affiliate marketing dashboard. So for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number 1, go to Google, okay? And search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So it's really easy. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. Okay, after you finish, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, guys, all you have to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, they are paying good commissions, and people who will buy your services from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. And if those people keep buying more services, you will keep earning more commissions for 12 months, okay, from just one person. Okay, anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on YouTube. So we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links to get free traffic and to earn commissions. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage. So guys, just open your YouTube homepage like this. All of you guys have a YouTube account. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Why we choose YouTube? Because guys, you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors, and millions of people every single day are scrolling on YouTube searching for specific topics, services, products, and so much more. Okay, anyway, just open your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. For example, you will ask how to create, let's say, whiteboard And here you go. How to create whiteboard, and here you go. People, this is what people are searching for on YouTube right now. This is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for. People are searching for how to create whiteboard animation videos, how to create whiteboard animation video in Canva, how to create whiteboard animation. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, click here on the search and search for whiteboard animation video. Okay, search for this one. So we will promote services related to topics that people are searching for. That's why I choose this service. Okay, you need to promote services that people are searching for. That's why you need to do your own research. Use YouTube search bar and find what people are searching for. Okay, so search for on Fiverr, search for whiteboard animation video, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, like this one. This one is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews and this service starting just from $5. A lot of people can buy this service. Okay, so I will click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you want and you will be directly in this seller profile page. This seller has one order in queue, a lot of reviews. That's really good. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller. Just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, okay? And you will be directly in this page over here. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You guys just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and we will scroll down. This seller has video. Let's check his video.
Are you a business owner looking to grow your business? Stay ahead of your competitors. Increase conversion rates.
That's really good. The seller is explaining his service with his animation videos. That's really good. What you will do next, you will double click on the video and you will click here on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop. Click on, I'm gonna name it animation video. Click on save, and here you go. Your video will be saved in your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, search for this website for Canva. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. So just click here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr, this one about animation videos. Click on open and here you go. Click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background like this. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style. Your text will be in the front of your video. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text like this and put your text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, check link in my description. Click on elements, scroll down and click here on ship. Click on color, choose black color put this shape behind your text like this. Super easy and simple. Okay, and here you go. Okay, check link in my description like this. Let's check now.
Are you a business owner looking to grow your business? Stay ahead of your competitors.
As you can see, guys, our video is done. So people who will watch this video, they will see this. Check link in description. And people who are interested to create whiteboard animation videos for their businesses, they will check your YouTube description. You will put your affiliate link there. So click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Click on download like this. Click on download again, and here you go. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy. And what you will do next, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube, and what you will do, guys, is you need to create a YouTube channel. It's for free. All you need to do is you just need to use your email address. Upload this video to your YouTube channel. Put this title: how to create any whiteboard animation videos like this. Copy this title and put this title, use this title for your videos, and that's it. Okay, in your YouTube description you can write this sentence. For example, if you are looking for how to create whiteboard animation videos, check my link below. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your YouTube channel, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And start promoting those services related to those topics that people are searching for. Okay, and guys, upload this video. When you will upload this video as Creative Commons. Okay, so let me show you. When you will open your YouTube channel, this will be, click here. Let me show you first. Click here on your profile picture and click on YouTube Studio. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on create, click on upload, click on select file, and upload this video that you made on Canva, this one. Click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Okay, scroll down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So first, let's go with the title. I'm going to show you guys even step by step. Okay, I will go and I will copy this title, how to create whiteboard. This one, I will copy this one. I will use this title for my video. Like this, how to create whiteboard animation videos. Okay, like this. In my YouTube description, I will put this sentence: if you are looking for if you are looking for this one, I will copy this one. If you are looking for how to create whiteboard animation videos, check link below. Like this. Okay, I will put my affiliate link here. So what you will do next, guys, you will go back, like I said, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, and as you can see, guys, let me show you. As you can see, this affiliate link is too much long, so we need to make it short link to make it more professional and branding. Go to Google, search for short URL. Okay, search for this website. Click on this link here, on the first link, and you will be directly in this page over here. So just put your affiliate link here and click on shorten. Okay, and your affiliate link will be a short link like this. Copy your affiliate link, go back to your YouTube channel. Let me show you. Go back to your YouTube channel and put your affiliate link here. Paste. Like this, okay? It's super easy. Scroll down. After you finish, scroll down. So here, you guys need to upload. So let me show you. You need to upload, scroll down. You need to upload your YouTube thumbnail. Go back to the seller profile page and you guys can use his picture, the first picture, as YouTube thumbnail, okay? Go back to the seller page. Let me show you. This seller has YouTube thumbnail here. This one. Let me see. You can use this as a thumbnail. You can double click and you can click here on save image, okay? And you can save this picture as a YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna click on save to show you. Click on save. I will go back to my YouTube channel. I will click here on upload a thumbnail and I will upload this picture. Okay, let me show you. I will click again on upload. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's already here. It's the same, but I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna use just this one. Click here on auto generate and I'm gonna choose this one. It's the same picture. I will click on done. Okay, like this. This will be your YouTube thumbnail. Scroll down. Make sure to use this. No, it's not made for kids. Scroll down. Choose here no. Over here, choose no. Scroll down. Put here tags or keywords. I'm gonna put those keywords. So how we can find keywords? Go back to your YouTube homepage, copy all those keywords, those titles, copy those titles and put those titles here, and that's it. Scroll down and go here to license. Click here on standard YouTube license and choose this one, Creative Commons, okay? So you will not get any trouble with copyright issue, okay? You will upload this video as Creative Commons, okay? Scroll down and that's it. Here in category, choose how to and style. Scroll down, make sure your comments are turned on and that's it. Next, click on next, 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 and public. And publish your video like this. And here you go, guys. As you can see here, checks is completed, no issue found. You will not get any copyright issue. Your video will be uploaded like this. Let's check this video.
Are you a business owner looking to grow your business? Stay ahead of your competitors.
You guys can see my video is uploaded to my YouTube channel. If we scroll down, if we go to our YouTube description, we have here our affiliate link. And that's it. You guys can see how to create whiteboard animation videos. People who are searching for how to create whiteboard animation videos, they will watch my video. They will see this. Check the link in my description. If they scroll down, they will find my affiliate link here. If they click on my affiliate link, for example, like this, do you see, guys? That's how this business works. They will be directly in this seller profile page who create whiteboard animation videos. They will click on continue, buy this service for $5 and they will earn commission. And that's it. It's super easy. There is no problems, there is no copyright issue, and you guys just need to start. They will start or not, it's up to you. You need to stay consistent. If you didn't make any commissions, the problem is you, because I shared with you guys everything. You just need to start, okay? And guys, my affiliate marketing course is done. If you guys are interested, people who are interested, I will leave my email in my description. People who are interested, you can guys send me affiliate marketing in this email and I will guys send you my course if you guys are interested to get more methods, more strategies to start your affiliate marketing business and earn commission. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.